Hey, if you're doing keto or thinking about starting, but you're not seeing the fast results you hoped for, this video is for you. I'm going to share 3 powerful truths about why meaningful change on keto takes time and how to stay motivated when it feels slow. Number 1, your body is relearning everything. Keto is more than just cutting down on carbs. Your body is literally shifting its primary fuel source from sugar and carbs to fat. That's like asking your car to suddenly run on solar power. It takes time. It's a process. During this adjustment, things might feel off, like energy dips, cravings, the dreaded keto flu, but this is your body healing and adapting. Be patient with the process. Number 2, results aren't always seen on the scale. So many give up because the scale doesn't move fast enough for them. But look for non-scale victories: better sleep, less brain fog, a higher activity level, fewer cravings, or even clearer skin. These are huge wins. Keto is working behind the scenes, even when the mirror and scale aren't screaming it yet. Celebrate those signs of progress. They matter more than you think. Number 3, consistency beats perfection. Slip-ups can happen. Life happens. But perfection isn't the goal. Consistency is. Keep showing up each and every day. Keep choosing real food. Every meal is a new chance to move yourself forward in a positive way. The people who succeed with keto, they're not perfect. They are patient. So if it feels like things are moving slow, good. That means real change is happening. Stay the course. Trust the process. And remember, you're doing this for you. And you are worth the wait. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with somebody on the keto journey. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button. See you on the next one.